Car Story research indicates this vehicle as a good deal and loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, keyless ignition, premium sound system, leather seats, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Acura TLX. The Acura TLX impresses drivers with its nimble handling, great fuel economy, and long list of high-tech features. It comes with an extremely quiet interior, spacious front seats, and smooth ride quality, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, navigation system, anti-lock braking system, traction control, air conditioning, moonroof, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, home link garage door opener, power steering, cruise control. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.